Here I have Lenovo Vibe P1. Let me show you how to enter the engineer mode, how to enter the test menu on the following device. At the very beginning, let's open the phone dialer and let's use this code ###1111#. This is the engineer mode. Here you can perform auto test, auto audio and GPS test, the normal audio auto test or manual test. In manual test you can, for example, test your LCD. If everything is correct, let's tap pass. You can test the system info, keypad, flashlight, LED, the G sensors, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, GPS, SD card and a lot of more. Let's go back, and here you can also quit this menu by using the back key, and now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.